They got
I
kettle
have
corn.
kettle corn, caramel, and cheese.
Ooh, which one's your favorite?
Well, I mean, I really like them all. What do you like better?
What is caramel?
Caramel? Are you paying cash or what?
I'll do apple.
Come right in here with me.
There you go. Hey. I have a lunch.
Would you like a bag for this?
I don't know if he's been overwhelmed